Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you where you can enter your digital download codes that you might have for your Nintendo Switch 2. So what you want to do from the homepage of your Switch 2 is head on over to the Nintendo eShop and select that. And then I need to select the user that this digital download code is going to be downloaded to. So it's going to be this account, so I'm going to select that. You may be prompted to log in to your Nintendo Switch account, but once we do that, we can click OK. Once you get into the Nintendo eShop, what you want to do over on the left-hand side is go all the way down to where it says Enter Code and select that. I purchased the Upgrade Edition code for Legend of Zelda Tears of the Kingdom from GameStop. They sent me that code to my email, so grabbing that from my email, I need to enter that in to this area. If you entered the code correctly, it'll take you on to the next page where it's going to ask you to confirm the content to redeem. And if it all looks good, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and select where it says Redeem. And now I have successfully redeemed that code. If I'd like to check on the download status, I can go to the home menu, so heading over there. And I can see that a virtual game card was added, and it's been successfully loaded onto my Switch 2. And now that download process has started. As long as you're connected up to your internet, whatever code that you'd entered, the download should start pretty quickly after that. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful on where to enter in digital download codes in your Switch 2. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more Switch 2 content in the future.